Do you want to start gardening in your small apartment but don't know how? No worries, we're here to help. This video will reveal the top 5 tips for apartment gardening. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned for our top 5 tips to turn your apartment into a green oasis. Starting at number 5, choosing the right plants. Consider plants that thrive in indoor conditions and compact spaces. Succulents, snake plants, or pothos are great examples. Remember, your plants must adapt to your home, not the other way around. Choosing the right plants will set the foundation for your indoor garden. At number 4, make use of your vertical space. Think about hanging plants or install shelves to house your green companions. Vertical gardening frees up floor space and allows more room for growth. Remember, vertical space is your best friend when it comes to apartment gardening. Coming in at number 3, ensure your plants get enough light and water. These two elements are just as vital as the air we breathe. Without sufficient sunlight and hydration, your plants can't photosynthesize and grow. Remember, plants need light and water to thrive. Our second tip, use multi-purpose containers. These handy items can double as planters and storage bins, making the most of your limited space. They're also a fantastic way to express your creativity, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. Multi-purpose containers can save space and add a touch of creativity to your indoor garden. And finally, our number 1 tip, regular maintenance. This is the key to a thriving indoor garden. It's all about consistency, checking the plants, watering, and pruning as needed. With regular maintenance, your indoor garden will remain vibrant and lively. So there you have it, our top 5 tips for gardening in small apartments. From choosing the right plants, utilizing vertical space, providing adequate light and water, using multi-purpose containers, to regular maintenance. Let's start growing our own indoor garden. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Happy gardening!